In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Cisco WebEx Meetings. If you've ever joined a meeting and noticed your name isn't quite right, or you want your preferred name to show up, this quick walkthrough will help you fix it on the web or desktop. The change you make here updates your WebEx profile and will carry over to future meetings across devices. Start by signing in to your WebEx account at webex.com using a modern browser. Once you're in, look toward the top right of the page for your profile picture or initials. Click that to open your profile or the user hub. Depending on your layout, you might land directly on your profile page, or you'll see a clear link to it. From there, select Edit My Profile. This opens the area where you can adjust how your name appears. You'll see fields for first name, last name, and sometimes a display name. First and last name are your standard account details. Display name is the label people typically see in meetings, the participant list, and sometimes in chat and recordings. If you go by a shortened name, a middle name, or a preferred name, the display name is usually the best place to set that. Keep things professional and easy to read. Avoid adding extra symbols or emojis, since some organizations don't allow them and they can be truncated on smaller screens. Take a moment to check your spelling and capitalization. Consistency matters, especially if your name appears on recordings, captions, or transcripts. If your organization uses naming conventions, try to follow those here. You can update only one field or all of them, whatever best reflects how you want to be seen in meetings. When you're happy with the changes, click Save. That's the key step that applies your updates to your WebEx profile. The new name will show up in future meetings and generally syncs across the web, desktop, and mobile experiences tied to your account. If you're currently in a meeting, you might not see the change immediately inside that session, but it will be reflected the next time you join. A couple of quick pointers as you wrap up. Interfaces can look slightly different depending on your region or account type, but the profile or user hub and the edit My Profile option are the anchors to look for. If you don't see an edit option, it may be restricted by your organization's settings. And that's it. Sign in, open your profile, edit your details, and save. You'll be ready to show up with the right name in your next WebEx meeting.